Hey guys, got me here. What's up? Hope you all are doing good. So today I am here to unbox and show you what comes inside our simple trainer coroplast. So as you all already know, we have three variants: one with electronics, without electronics, and a super combo pack with transmitter, receiver, battery, everything. So what I'm unboxing today is without electronics, which is easy to build, easy to fly, and very affordable to start with. So this simple trainer coroplast is our best or most loved model, bestest performance and easy to build. So let me take you through what comes inside a kit when you purchase it through our website www.aerogo.live. So basically you see here 4 units. So these 4 units of laser cut coroplast material is going to be your fuselage combo. And you have a laser cut horizontal stabilizer with a control surface. You have a vertical stabilizer without a rudder. So this is not going to be controlled using rudder. And we have all the stiffeners and formers required to support the fuselage. And here you go, this is the front cover for your fuselage after you integrate all the electronics. And here is the best thing, that you get a completely built-in wing. All you have to do is just fix your servos, linkages and control arms. So everything is ready for you to just get going and start flying. So this is the construction material that you get. So along with that, so you are going to get all the BBQ sticks. So this is basically to mount the wings and to stiffen your vertical tail and wings. And you have linkages, so you already know. So linkages are ideally to control your control surfaces. So you are going to get 3 linkages in this. I am showing you 2, this is 3. And you have 743 Metlock super glue. So be careful when you use it, keep it away from chimneys. And here you have nano paper cutter and our laser cut motor mount specifically made for super trainer coroplast models. And here you go, a tiny packet which consists of all the wing rubber bands, screws and control parts. So all of them at your doorstep, which is easy to build and fly. So now let's get started. I'll show you how to build this super trainer coroplast in few minutes. Let's get started. Bye.